What's going on, guys? Mac here with Up and Smoke Welding Apparel. So we get these calls all the time. How do we measure our shirt? So I'm going to take you through the 3 steps of measuring one of our shirts, hoodies, or jackets. Okay, so your chest measurement, this is how you're going to take it. Lay one of your garments down flat on the counter, table, whatever it may be, and literally go 1 inch below the armpit hole of your garment. Tape there, whatever this measurement is, that is your measurement on the sizing chart. Grab one of your garments, put it facing down on the counter. You're going to go from the size tag right here, go to the end of the sleeve. That is going to be your center of back to end of sleeve measurement. So your next measurement, you're going to basically flip the garment around, lay it on its back. You are going to go from the top of shoulder all the way down to the front of your garment. That is going to be top of shoulder to bottom of garment measurement there. So just to recap, we got the 3 measurements. You have center neck to end of sleeve. We have 1 inch below the armpit across the chest. And then you have the top of shoulder to the bottom of the garment. Literally, you could take any garment from your son, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend's closet, take one of their garments, do what I just showed you, and you'll have our sizing. Thanks for coming, and enjoy your garment.